Howdy y'all, welcome back to Beer Porn. Today we've got something tasty, maybe. Boulevard Brewing Cinnamon Bun Ale. Sticky Bun Alert. Rolling in dough. I'm a sinner and a saint. C-I-N-N-E-R, sinner. I don't know what that means. 9.5% ABV. So it's not for wimps. Puerto Rico, do not litter. Imperial brown ale with cinnamon flavor. I don't know why it says Puerto Rico. You don't think anyone should be littering. Not just Puerto Rico. Smells a little cinnamon. Dark molasses-ish color. Plenty of effervescence. Decent head. Smells like sticky bun. I had a sticky bun. I sat down and some sap out of one of the pine trees. Got an interesting aroma. Tastes like sticky bun. Even though it's a dark, it's not that heavy in the mouthfeel. Smooth, clean, kind of molasses. Not hoppy at all. No bitterness. Well, it's cinnamon bun, so it's got to be sweet. It's a cinnamon bun in a bowl, in a cup, in something. What is this? A mug? A glass? Yeah. It's sweet. When after a couple of sips, the sweetness gets a little cloying. I'm more of a savory person. Very drinkable, very sweet. And that's mainly what you get is cinnamon buns. You don't get the alcohol at all, so it could be dangerous if you're not careful. I like it. This would be better if I could share it with someone because, like I said, the sweetness becomes cloying to me, and need something bitter to counteract it now. Out of 5 stars, at least 3.5. On its own merits, it's good. It's just more sweetness than I can handle. I may have to get a shot of insulin or something afterwards, and I'm not diabetic yet. Maybe if I keep drinking this. Anyway, that's what we got. Oh, and for the benefit of those of you with flash photography, and we're done. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Cheers!